Lezi izindaba zethembisa online. Right ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo. Uphenye ibheshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yaseThembisa, Ivory Park, Rabbe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile. Iyake muzwa kwethu ake sithi kuwe nje umhlangano lo kagesi nokukhushulwa ke kwamanani okufanele iqale ngomhla lolunye ngenyanga kaJuly ubonakala ke nokho ke ubhuntshile ungabange usakwazi ukuqhubeka ngenxa yokungaboni ngasolinye phakathi ke kwamalungu omphakathi kanjalo nabo ke abayiziphathimandla bakwamasipala. Ake sikhulumisane ke nelunga lomphakathi ongusihlalo weThembisa Community Forum uLelenki Lefakane asichazele ukuthi ke ngabe ithini reaction yabo ngalomhlangano. Thobela. If you can introduce yourself as one of our community members, you have been here, public consultation, which I believe it's what you have been looking for. Last time you have complained about not being consulted. Here we are, but it looks like there's a collapse in terms of the meeting. What are the issues?
Firstly, let me introduce myself and say Dumelang Badudi ba Thembisa Obuankilele Lefakane, Chairperson at Thembisa Community Forum. Finally, we're looking forward to this process to happen today. Our aim was not for it to collapse because nerebatla utlwa di points tse ileng hore masipala o tla le tsona that we can use if we need to object. But unfortunately, it collapses gore the questions that were posed to the MMC that was doing the presentation. Some of the questions, he could not answer them the way the community wanted. He could not simplify slide sa high sa presentation to the community. The community asked for bua in simple language, understand kaofela. If you saying tariff A1, tariff A2, sichazele nge-language yala ilokushini esizoyizwa sonke ukuthi uthini kahle kahle. But he could not answer. So the community became frustrated and started coming to the front, wanting answers, and then there was chaos. Mina ukubona ngami i-City of Ekurhuleni is the cause yokuthi lento i-collapse namhlanje because of banga prepared for i-community yaseThembisa. Yes, we appreciate he was talking isiZulu nakakhuluma nathi, but lesiZulu bekasikhuluma. Most of the people could not even understand what he was saying. Nabu isiZulu so deep. We even asked when we were asking questions, please simplify what you are presenting to the community, and he could not do that. So community are frustrated, and in the community being frustrated, obviously their protectors had to come forward and try and diffuse the situation. That's how the whole thing collapsed.
I've heard in the presentation from the 1st of July they are also proposing kube ne increase in terms of tariffs, which they are saying it's guided by inertia. What is your take into that? Have you sat down at least mhlambe maniloko nilalela presentation? Do you think is it quality enough that you think it's considerable?
Look, Mfanelo, every year there's ITP processes that happens. We know every year first is July i-waste yakhuphuka, i-sewage yakhuphuka, amanzi ayakhuphuka, i-electricity yakhuphuka. That we know. But ukuthi eze la asitshela ukuthi kahle kahle ikhuphuka nge-9.1%. The community asked ukuthi sisuka kuphi nasizo end up sesuku 9.1%. Wahlule kuyiphendula. Babuza ukuthi sithenga ngemalini i-Ekurhuleni ithenga malini i-unit e-Eskom nabazosithengisela yona nge-R3. I can't remember the figure, but it was 3.2 cents, I think. He could not answer that. So that's where the frustration came. In the Beguti case, July. In Doya every year. Every year they come and do IDP presentation. We know already by now, less than Tozia Kupuga every year. So base expecting level Guti Kupuga, but explain what now Tia Kupuga. Sisuga gupi, Sia gupi. Nasi figure like 9.1%. Base gupi. And what are the reasons so which is the increase ngaleyo figure leyo yokuthi inersa yayiswa ecourt uAfriforum sesesilwelwa abelungu uyayibona ukuthi
way forward umuntu olalele njengamanje ngiyazi ukuthi parts of iThembisa there's no electricity but there's communication. Where to from here?
Ibhlungu indaba ukuthi kunabantu abanganagesi as we speak right now, and iyenza nale frustration ukuthi ibe too much ebantwini. As Thembisa Community Forum, engage in Masipala. We'll do the processes that we usually do. We'll write emails to them. We'll come up with suggestions. We'll also engage the councillors. There's this suggestions. Mhlambe akube nama public participation. Aqala ema ward ni qala. then nawaqala emawodini, then that's when singakhuphulela up until sifika eRabasuthu. Maybe that way i-understanding yethu as a community ingaba ngcono kunale eyenzakala lana. Nase bayeza la i-mayoral committee bazo explain kube ukuthi amakhansela sebathe basithatha from la basibeka la.
Sister, thank you so much.
Ngiyabonga mfanelo. Thank you.
Singaqinisekisa ke ukuthi ke udaba lolu ke oluqhubekayo njengalokhu ke nabo ke abakwamasipala sesazokwazi ukuthi ke silandelele udaba nalo. Asibonga kakhulu ke kulabo ke abakwazile ukuthi ke bakwazi ukulalela. Ukhumbule ke ilink esiyifakile yomhlangano wonke ikhona ke kuThembisa Online News ku YouTube. Ungasubscribe bese kuyalandela ukwazi ukwethamela. Okwamanje igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu ngingwakwaDzanibe. Sibongo bengahambi ngedwa ke uThabo Tabiya waSibiya kuyena osithathela imisindo kanjalo ke nezithombe. Ikhona ke insizwa ke esizayo uyena ke uSihle wakwaNgwini bese kuba ubanele uBrazo wakwaSondlo kanti ke umbiko sokuqophe eThembisa khona lapha endaweni ke ihholo lomphakathi eRabasuthu.